Good morning, everybody. Work Life Dump Life. It is raining right now. Morning, Jags, Megan, Momo, Dark Park, Sheriff Hawks, Alexis, Dorcas, Benjamin, Lorenzo, Hayes. Did I say Dark Park? Probably did. Sheriff Hawks. Everybody. If I missed you, sorry. It's raining. Hopefully, raindrops don't mess up my screen like they always do. And let's see what we got today, Megan. We got a dump today. So I've decided I'm not going to make videos when there's no dump. So, what do we have here? Where are my prices at? I know that. We have an exercise machine. Looks like one of them mountain climber things. Oh, a cute piano. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and this stuff. There's a cute little toy. All right. Oh, my ass here. Let's see. So anyway, everyone. It is boss's birthday, so please wish her a happy birthday. Anyway, I will see everyone later, and here's the rain.